This is Jackson. He's one of the horses that lives here at the farm. His little background to him is he is a retired show horse, and he came here after what people in the horse world call broke down. So he became too sore to be able to jump the tall fences that they were asking him to jump. So when he came here several years ago, he was very angry. He was not friendly and wasn't able to participate in the programming that we have here because he was angry with people. I grew up on a horse farm, but I have been away from it for many years. A little background to me is that I have a terminally ill child, and I originally came here because he showed an interest in horses. So it was really special when I brought him here. Horses and this place bring out the best in him, and it's something special that we can share. But when I brought him here, I realized how much I love horses as well. I'd forgotten about that. I'd been away from the farm for many years. So I started to come back as a volunteer without my son. I felt drawn to Jackson. I noticed that he wasn't participating in the programs, that he didn't seem happy per se. He was well taken care of, but he wasn't the same as the rest of the horses here, and I was drawn to that. I didn't know why at the time. What's really neat is that the more time that I spent with him, the more he chose me in return. And there's absolutely no better feeling than having a large animal such as Jackson choose you to be their person. I realized I was angry too. I came here not knowing it, but I had a hard heart similar to Jackson. I was angry, confused, frustrated at the situation that I was in. I have a terminally ill child. I didn't understand why. I didn't feel like I fit in with other people my age with children because they don't understand what it's like to be put in that situation. And I feel like Jackson was probably exactly the same, and I didn't realize it at the time. If you sit back and think about it, all the steps were there, and they were provided by God. He set that all up, including bringing Jackson here, including my son, and my son bringing my son here. Like, it was all a design, and it's very clear that you can see that. I came to know God and Christ from being here. It's through the teachings of the people that are here all the time that I learn more and more about the plan that there is, and that there is hope, and that God has a plan for everybody, including my son, but also for me. That's how Jackson and I came together, and how he helped me find Christ.